Hey guys. So, I was walking to my friend's house, went dumpster diving, and yep, I don't want to say another one because I didn't make a video of all of the other box fans that I found, but this is the fourth one that I found in the dumpster. You can see that I found that one. So, this is what it came with. It's a Aerospeed. Ooh, fancy. Now, it would come with its original plug, but it was jammed somewhere on a pile of debris, so I just yanked it to see if I could get the whole plug out, and nope. It actually stripped itself, so I didn't have to do any stripping, so I just had to I had to wire this plug, a spare plug that I had laying around, wired it up, fires right up. I'll show you in a minute. See, it has debris on it. Oh, crack. There's probably like cement. There's probably cement on this thing. A little bit. I don't think this fan was that dusty. Minus the debris. See, there's even debris in there. Oh yeah, it's an Aerospeed, so I guess this fan's supposed to be good, but it's not. And yeah, let's fire it right up on low. Now, since this fan had debris falling on it, there is debris in the switch here, so it's kind of stiff to move around. But if you keep playing with the switch back and forth, it might get freed up. And no, I am not selling this to Fanimation. I'm gonna make a destruction video out of it. And see, it has a little chip right there, but who cares? And here's high. Oh wait, did I skip medium? Anyway, here's medium. I think I did medium, I don't know. But here it is anyway. Turbo speed. Spin down. Surprisingly, with all the debris that's been falling onto this fan still has good bearings. There was debris inside of the fan itself. I just took the front grill off. Got a little shop vac. I don't know where I put it, but got a little shop vac. Vacuum it and get the idea. Anyway, now it's a demonstration video, and then the next video I'm gonna hang it up somewhere and do a destruction video of it. And like I said, I'm not going to sell this at Fanimation, and no, I am not holding this fan for someone in 3 years. Even though this might be childhood for some of you guys, but I don't care. I really don't care. It's gonna get destroyed, and that's the end of the story. So yeah, thanks for watching.